Super easy to use. Ticktime Pomodoro Timer Clock offers a hassle-free experience with its 6 preset countdown times, 3, 5, 10, 15, 25, and 30 minutes, activated by a simple flip. Plus, if you need a custom countdown, it's a breeze to set with just 2 buttons. Revolutionize your time management and ensure every minute is productive. Enjoy the convenience of dual timing modes with our desk timer. Not only can you choose from the 6 preset countdown options or set a custom countdown, but you can also switch to count-up mode by flipping the timer bottom up and stop it by standing the screen up. The timer covers a wide time range from 0 to 1 to 99, ensuring it suits all your timing needs. Setting up the timer is a breeze for maximum comfort. This ADHD timer is incredibly versatile and ideal for a wide range of situations, including the office, work, meetings, tasks, studying, reading, workouts, cooking, and countless other scenarios. In fact, you can use this timer in virtually any situation you can think of. Experience ultimate convenience with our work timer. Pause the countdown by flipping it to the front screen and resume it with another flip. Customize the sound to your preferred volume level and select from either a mute option or an adjustable sound alert. Enjoy more choices for added convenience. Small, magnetic, and rechargeable. Our gravity timer measures a compact 1.9181087 inches, fitting comfortably in your hand and weighing only 2.2 ounces. It's highly portable, easily slipping into pockets or bags. Important charging and usage guidelines. This cube timer should not be used while charging, and it is not waterproof. For initial use, please charge it for 12 hours, and for subsequent uses, charge it for 4 hours. Once the charging is complete, unplug the charging cable and simply press any button to activate the timer. Customer review 4.1 out of 5 stars.